So in continuation of our previous lecture, we will talk about the range in for loop. What does the range function do in for loop? To loop through a set of code for a specific number of time, you can use the range. For example, in this program that for x in range and we take the argument, for example 6. So from 0 to 5 number will be printed. Print x means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The range is how many time, number of times. So from 0 to 5 time that will be printed. Note that range 6 is not the value from 0 to 6 but 0 to 5 because it starts from the 0. The range function default to 0 as a starting. However, it is possible to by default the starting value of this is 0, but we can specify it as well. So it will take two arguments in this. From, for example, for x in range 2 comma 6 mean from 2 start, then do what? There is no column, print x, and this start from 2 to 5 will be printed. 6 is not included in that. By default the incrementation is 1. However, it's possible to specify the incrementation as well. For example, for x in range 2 33, so increment of this sequence is 3. The last one is for incrementation, print x. What does it mean? From 2 it will start until whatever the last value is. So 29 is the last value. So that is, we say for example by default, if it is not mentioned, then by default it will start from 0, but if it is mentioned, then we can use as a first argument, and by default incrementation is by 1, and we can also specify it as well as a last argument or third argument. Else in a for loop mean if the condition is false, then the else will be printed inside the for. And nested loop means one loop inside another.